friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. If you've been feeling like super unpleasant, insecure, lonely, depressed, worried, angry, if you feel like you have lots of desires that are unfulfilled, feeling lack and limitations, or perhaps even joyfulness, know that you're not alone, my friend. Not on an island, but deeply interconnected to this human experience of suffering, of love, and everything in between. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can let go of some of our pain, become more aware, more trusting. Trusting that life is holding us, caring for us, even when we can't understand how or why. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware. You can lie down if you like, or sit up straight. Just making sure that your spine is as straight as possible. Putting distractions to the side. Letting go of past. Letting go of the future. Close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner experience, becoming aware of sensations, the feeling of touch, temperature, I want you to drop your shoulders away from the ears, relaxing your belly, and taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go, releasing stress. Breathing in trust for the unfolding of life. And exhale, letting go of worries, anxieties. Relaxing your hands and feet. Letting go of tension in your jaw, the lips, the forehead. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhale. Exhale, pushing the belly outwards. Breathing in, feeling the belly rise. And exhale, letting go of any anger, any negativity inside, just letting it go. Breathing in grounded masculine energy. And exhale, feeling yourself balanced with masculine energy. Feeling that strength, that courage, sense of direction, purpose. And breathing in intuitive, beautiful, feminine energy. Exhale, feeling that self balanced, both masculine and feminine. Embracing both your inner woman and your inner man. Allowing them to do their dance. Helping you feel more whole, more complete unto yourself. Remember that you have everything that you need inside. Looking inwards now, just for a few moments, bringing all your attention in. Slower and softer. And exhale, even slower, even softer. Feeling yourself whole. You have everything that you need. You are already that which you are seeking, what you are looking for. It is already inside. Breathing in presence. Exhale, letting go of the past, letting go of the future. Taking a big breath in. Holding at the top. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you here today. Grateful that you would join me. Know that you're breathing, know that you're alive. You live to see another day, but it won't always be that way. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Becoming aware of your body, aware of your space. The color for today is light green. The number is 500. And the animal is a cow. Relaxing your belly, opening your heart to more self-love. It's okay to not be so hard on yourself about all these little things. Having forgiveness for any mistakes that have been made recently. Coming back into compassion, patience, forgiveness. Taking one more deep breath for now. And exhale. Just for a few moments, bringing all your attention inwards, witnessing and welcoming yourself as you are. Just for 5 seconds. I thank you for joining me across time and space. Sending you a big hug. My dear friend, wishing you an abundance of love. Wishing you this capacity to see that we're not perfect. Sometimes even making this video, I trip up on my words, or I feel like I did not do my best. And then I have to remind myself that I'm just a human being, not a robot. Okay, so sometimes we put this expectation on ourselves to be absolutely perfect. But Our imperfections is what makes us human, and that's what makes us beautiful. So embracing imperfections today. If you make a mistake, it's okay. No need to be so hard on yourself and feel ashamed or get angry. Just smile at the mistake and try again. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.